Hi, I'm Bernie Wild. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 easily overlooked RV maintenance tasks. Stick around. Even if you don't have an RV, you might find something helpful. First up has to do with something that's often overlooked because it's out of sight or out of mind, and that is to maintain proper water levels in RV batteries that require water. And this is important to keep them operating properly. To fill, you're simply going to use a distilled water and fill just above the cells and not quite to the caps, so that when you put the caps on, the corrosive fluid doesn't leak all over the place. Another often overlooked maintenance task is to disinfect your water storage system. This could be something as large as ours, which is a 66-gallon tank, or it could be a 5-gallon container, or even just a water bottle. This is important to inhibit the harmful growth of bacteria. To do this, you're simply going to take a disinfectant solution and add it to your container or tank. And we typically will use a common household bleach, and this does quite a good job. It is a simple task, but it can be time consuming because you do have to let it set to make sure that it disinfects properly, and then you'll go ahead and empty that and rinse it thoroughly. A final maintenance task that I'm going to share with you is something that, if not done, could cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars in damage. And this is something that only costs $10 to $20 and you'll only do every 6 to 12 months. And that is to replace the anode in your water heater. This is a rod that goes into the tank. It's very easy to install, and it keeps the water from corroding the tank by attracting the metals to the anode itself. And this is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of potential damages. It's just easy to do. I highly recommend that you just spend the $10 to $20 every 6 to 12 months and be done with it. These are 3 simple, inexpensive maintenance tasks that can be easily overlooked. If you have others, I'd love to read about them in the comments. Please remember to share, subscribe, and click on that little notification bell. Thanks for watching. And eventually busting it open and leaking and causing all kinds of damage. I forgot what I was going to say. It's something that, if not done, could cost thousands, if not hundreds, if not millions of jillions of dollars. A final